cut my heart open for you so I could feel it bleed. Fuck who you like, I'm the only rapper that you really need. Most people don't follow the dreams and they feel fine. It's probably why I don't. I stalk, rape, and kill mine. I took the handles off, shot her up, and she miscarried. Fetus wasn't hard to bury. What comes next is arbitrary. Glad I recorded this, found out what horn it is. It turned out to be the ghost of my aborted kids.
Nobody likes me, everybody hates me. I've been taking care of myself even worse lately. Maybe it's not me and it's everyone else. Could it be that finally I find fault with myself? Please, I'm well aware for every problem there's a prayer to a God who only exists when I'm deep in despair. And I swear in the foxhole I'm converted forever, but I curse his name the next day when the trouble gets better. Only a real douchebag would claim that he's religious to snuggle up to a girl that he's known for 10 minutes. Only a real jerk would have unprotected sex with a girl he just met, tells her he loves her and jets. The fact of the matter is I pray on the average to seem extraordinary, though they're probably bored already by the time I hit the mortuary. No one will miss me. In hell I'll make a record with Michael Jackson and Biggie. I'm an unlovable loser without a job or friends or a future, and it's hard to get used to not having money because I used to. I'm an unlovable loser without a job or friends or a future, and it's hard to get used to not selling records because I used to.
Just happy. So today we got some stuff on the table. So I brought a table. Jaeger, I just pulled it out of the freezer. So it's all, look at that, it's all iced. This is my hair. So I just took a shower. Okay, I can't do anything about it. But today we're gonna talk. Today we're gonna fucking talk. We're talking today. I found this. Definitely not at a Target or anything. We're just gonna crack this open. Maybe paint some. We gotta get practice our painting skills, if you guys remember. What should I do? Paint a swastika. Paint a beautiful swastika. A beautiful swastika. Okay. We're also gonna talk about the RV. We're gonna talk about what streamers don't want other streamers to know. The inside shit. What some streamers we're gonna talk about what streamers say to one another, right? And the you're gonna have to bear with me because I'm retarded. Snaking that streamers do to each other. It's not the first time it's happened, okay? Now, I talked to Casey about being on the RV. Casey always, you know, I've been talking to Casey about this RV since June, July, right? Anyways, it's about Carl. We go into it, and I can pull up the recordings of a few things of what he's said, but I've been getting ghosted by Baked. You guys wanted me to call him the other day. I've reached out to him, sent him a few text messages saying, actually I texted him the day before, and then I texted him yesterday after my stream and tried calling him, and I tried today and still no hold. So when I talked to Casey today, he says, oh, he's probably busy. Bro, fuck out of here with that gay shit. Like, there's no way. It's ghosting for some reason. And then Mondo talked to me. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to say his name. But anyways, Mondo said how Carl's like really driving something. So for Mondo to say something, that just sold everything to me. No one wants you on the RV. You weird and boring for a year now. Yeah, I haven't really done anything, so I don't blame you. But we're gonna go ahead and look at some of the footage from me and Carl's last stream. We're gonna get a little deep. All right, a little deep, dude. All right, let's go figure it out. That's what we're gonna do. Here we are. Here is a bunch of privated streams. Here's my last desktop stream, August 12th. Once a month, not bad. We're looking for the video with me and Carl. We're gonna find the last stream I had with him and see what makes him hate me. Right? That's what we're going.
Shut the fuck up. You being a man? Come out here, okay?
Stop, dude. Oh, hey, you run away, dude.
It's on me, dude. Figure it out, dude.
You walk away, dude.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you, bitch. What the fuck's wrong with you, dude?
I think he actually
you, bitch.
tripped.
Right here.
Fuck you, bitch.
Go a
Die.
bit. Go away.
Look how disgusting that room is.
Fuck you, bitch. Fucking faggots.
Fuck you, faggot. Die on fire.
The fuck, dude?
It's me. It's me.
You just don't ever fucking do that.
It's me.
Don't do that, dude. I'm going to sleep, dude.
It's me.
You're
It's
fucking
me.
putting me. You're fucking putting me in fucking.
It's me. It's me.
You're putting me fucking. You put me down balls, dude.
Where's my hug?
All right, you're on.
Bitch, where's my hug?
Shut the fuck up, dude. You're not putting the hug.
Where's my hug?
Get the fuck out of here, dude. Give me.
Where's my hug?
Stop.
I want a hug.
Why are you here? Why are you here? I want, dude. Do not put me in this shit.
My house.
Shut up, dude.
Where's my house?
Shut up, dude. Stop.
So, oh yeah. So I talked to Casey about being on the RV. He's cool with it. But Carl's not going on the RV if I'm going on the RV. So Baked Alaska doesn't want him on the RV or want me on the RV. That's what I'm getting at. By the way, here's me breaking the seal. So, I don't know what, like, how many times I have to say, like, I'm down for the RV, but fuck, like, did Carl win? Maybe Carl won. Maybe that's what it is. Carl, congratulations. I will now be the new Blade 2.0, drinking at home, playing Call of Duty till I die. Yeah. So I lived outside. I remember this, ate from can poverty. Yeah. Why don't you get Blade and Brad and Mondo to vouch for you for the RV? I didn't think about asking Blade to vouch for me. Mondo's vouched for me, but now I don't think that vouches can do anything. Casey said I could go. I'm 100%. I don't need to ask to go on the RV, and then I asked today, and he says yes, you're on the RV, and then I can't go on the RV because. But then, like, the only person who's saying I can't be on the RV is fucking Alaska.
Incest porn intro.
And he's ghosted me for the past 3 days.
Oh, dude.
Alaska wants nothing to do with me because of what Carl's been telling him.
The DX.
And Mondo, Mondo told me that Carl's talking shit. Another fucking person, another source has told me that Carl's talking shit.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm moving him.
Snaking. So let's do some IP2 recap, right? Baked Alaska talks about right here all the people who are confirmed on the RV, minor adjustments subject to change. So someone on this list isn't going. Then Corinne just said she's doxing everyone.
Streamers, because Casey, your whole RV is gonna get totally, get swatted, and it's gonna get doxed, and it's gonna get all those boys are gonna get taken down. So
Look at her hand
get banned
gestures.
on every social media. Streamers, because
Taken down. Gosh, she's just a piece of shit. She's stooping to like SJC. RV hype, let's go. Fuck, I'm not on here. Fuck. Okay. Next. This guy is having withdrawals from being outside his house and away from Discord. Looks like me. Is that me? Is that me? What? I wear the same hat. Is that? No. Maybe not. Looks the same. Chicken faggot salty baked ghosting him for exposing Carl. Chicken faggot salty baked ghosting him for exposing Carl. Chicken faggot salty baked ghosting him for exposing Carl. Chicken faggot salty baked ghosting him for exposing Carl. Yo, let's change this bitch. I'm editing my streamer title. I want to apologize to everyone. Free, because we're desperate. Free per fire sale. Because we're desperate. Don't forget. You know what? I think I'm going to do a fire sale every 10 minutes. So in 1 minute, I'm going to take another fire sale. Warzone, you guys want to see me do Warzone? Okay, I'm fine. Call Casey and Baked. Let's do it. Alright, let's call Casey and Baked while we get Warzone. Alright. We'll call Casey.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
There's Casey. Okay. Alright, let's call Baked. I already talked to Casey anyways. I don't really call him twice a day. Alright, let's call Baked. Ghosted. Yeah. I'm getting canceled now by all the streamers. Let's call everyone. I feel like I'm now turning into Blade, calling all the streamers.
Call has been.
Okay, that was Baked. Let's call Mondo.
Hello?
Hey, Mondo. Dude, like, I love all races, dude. I'm not a racist.
What happened?
Black people.
What?
What?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Oh. I heard there's some interesting clips of Carl floating on the internet.
Like what?
I don't know, something about him being a doxer and him coordinating with some girl to dox people, and something about hitting some young-ass girl.
You talking about Carl?
Sounds like Carl's a little bit weird, and it's kind of hypocritical if they take him on, because if Carl's a doxer, then that kind of goes against what Carl's trying to push. Maybe it's an agenda of Carl's being too much of a bitch, and that's what he's trying to fucking convince you.
He doesn't want to be on the RV if I'm on the RV, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
So he's pushing an agenda that I'm doxing and I'm going to destroy the RV when I never gone once against Casey or whatever or anyone.
Yeah, it's Carl pushing that shit.
And then there's Corinne. You got Corinne, you know, who is blatantly saying she's going to fuck everyone over, including myself. So I'm taking a risk, you know.
Yeah.
RV sounds kind of toxic, but I still want to be on it because it sucks because I kind of just done nothing waiting for it. You know what I mean? Fuck, we missed the train. So I told Mondo that I have like the recording of what Carl had to say. That makes him like kind of hypocritical. The reason why I think he's coming at me, but I don't really want to just drop it right now. I'd rather drop it in front of his face, because then we could see like the type of person he is. Like, it's so fucked that he's coming at me for no reason. I feel like he's coming at me the most fucked up way is coming from like he's doing it by talking to other streamers, you know. If he really had these feelings about me, why didn't he just talk to me like about it, you know? Why didn't he bring it up to me? Instead he had to go talk to other people, you know? Yo, my nigga, shut the fuck up. Yo, Green, fix your fucking headphones, you fucking oh my god. Yo, Blue, Green's a faggot. What's your opinion on snakes? Yeah, snakes. You like to suck snake? I'm talking about cock. Big black cock. Yeah, are you gay? I don't know, man. You kind of seem like a homosexual. Hey, excuse me? I'm live streaming. Can you not say the hard R? Can you, my guy, I'm live streaming. Can you not say the N-word with a hard R? I don't know, dude. It's just kind of racist. Like, you're probably not even, like, you're probably white, dude. Not gonna cap. So you're white. You're a fucking racist. So you are white. Why aren't you white? It's better. Oh my god! I'm poor. Fuck, bro. I need a plate. Fuck. Mid-game. Fuck. Guys, if I lose, I have to take a shot. I can't lose. I can't lose. Fuck! Let it gain. Where's my shot glass? Yo, guys. Cheers. You're actually trash at Warzone. Guys, I'm fucking under a lot of pressure here. I'm eating. I'm trying to eat. There's food all over me.
Hey, back out, Mike.
Fuck, there's food. I'm like trying to eat in my pants and like there's food going everywhere. I need a plate. Should I get a plate? I'm gonna go get a plate. I'll be right back, chat. I need a plate, baby. Yo, shut your fucking bitch ass up, pussy.
Goof rat.
What you call me? What you call me? Nah, nigga, I ain't no goofy ass bitch. Go fuck yourself. No, you goofy.
Waited, fuck. Why are you saying that word, bro?
Nah, dude.
Why are you saying
I got the
word,
pass.
bro?
I got the pass. It's okay, my guy. I got the pass.
Did your half-breed uncle rape you before? Did you get the pass?
It was not rape. It was consensual.
Consensual, yeah.
Hey, shut your bitch ass up, Green.
Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro.
Not even say nothing.
Shut up, Green.
Damn.
Fuck you.
I don't fight with little kids.
Ah, so but you talk to them, huh? Yo, Blue, I've never talked shit to you in my life, homie. Like, listen, I've had a bad day, so it'd be very nice if you could be the homie, you know?
Someone wants to help me, yeah?
Yeah, Blue, like, we're like cool and shit. You know? Like, please, like, I'm like, my life depends on it. Yeah.
Me? Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Yeah, Blue. Oh, Blue, you're down. Oh, come on, Blue. Oh, you're getting fucked up.
Yeah.
I just dropped so much more food on me. I am so pissed. Another shot.
Left me, you know the fucking map, so you just leave me out there, retards.
Back over here, boys. Back in this
Oh,
bathroom.
wait, he was right on top of us. He was right on top of us.
Jesus Christ.
I heard heartbeat.
Jesus Christ, I can't fucking listen to that, dude. I want to show you guys how much food I've been dropping on myself. It's really bad. So, just angle the camera down. Look. I've been dropping so... This looks like... This is green, okay? This is guacamole. It's not mold. Whatever you guys think. As it gets closer, it looks worse, but it's actually... Anyways, I've been dropping a lot of food on myself because the stupid burrito was in a fucking aluminum foil thing. This is what's been pissing me off, like, all day. It's how much food I've dropped on myself. Like, here's another bean, you know? I'm gonna put that bean over here. I'm trying to fix the camera angle, but I'm such a fucking idiot. There we go. Alright, let's start painting, I guess. Might as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of this stupid jacket. And we're gonna start painting. So why did I choose orange? Or maybe choose orange. I forgot. Alright. A pumpkin. Making a pumpkin. Okay. So that's the start of my pumpkin. So I don't really like it, so I'm just gonna smear it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna... I went to my red. I dropped a few colors, so we're gonna go ahead and get black. How's it look? Looks good, chicken. Thank you. Yeah, hello?
Okay, you playing?
Yeah.
I am.
Hello.
Why do I have to reload?
Chicken Andy, tell me you love me.
Fuck you. Go
Yeah,
kill yourself.
Chicken Andy, tell me you love me.
Wow, tell me you love me.
Go fucking hang yourself. I hope you die.
What else?
Stop, I'm streaming. Or...
You're not.
Okay, send it to my fucking boyfriend.
Jesus Christ.
This is what it's gonna sound like when I slip up that semen.
I clicked on your stream, you were fucking, shut up, that's loud, like, shut the fuck up.
It's me.
Guys, shut the fuck up or I actually leave.
Are you yelling? Or what?
I'm trying to yell.
I think it's
I'm having a moment right now. Jesus Christ. Do you not see like I'm streaming or something, you dumb bitch?
Holy fuck,
streaming.
shut up, so we could fucking listen to the code. Shut up.
Okay.
What is it?
337428.
I need to wash my hands or something because I have paint all over my hands.
Are you not gonna play? Like,
Yes, I'll play it. 337-3267. Like I heard it the first time. Jesus Christ. Okay, what's the code? 337.
we already told you. 337-428?
428.
No, 9.
God. No, 337-429.
It's 8.
337
429.
429.
No, it's
Sir-
8.
Oh my God.
I just said 8, bro. Why do you keep saying 9?
337-428.
9.
It's 8. It's 8.
There's nothing there.
337-428.
9.
Beta.
429.
Hey, you?
You?
Beta.
337-428.
9.
Yes.
9.
428.
I'm getting the fuck off. I hate you guys.
Stop. Come here. Fuck you. You do this to me every time.
I don't know the fucking code, bitch. Den says.
Why are you full of blood? What is that? Paint.
I'm painting right now, you dumb cunt.
What are you painting?
A beautiful flag. It's a beautiful flag.
Paint a picture of me, yeah. I'm a beluga.
I would never fucking paint a picture of you. You don't deserve my paint. Oh my God, look what time it is, everyone. Guys, look what time it is. Fire sale hype.
What does 210 mean? Half of 420?
I think I've had about 10 shots, maybe. 11.
10 shots?
Yes. Tell us who you are. Don't make bullshit up, please, because I...
What? That's not even a fucking lie. This kid's literally on here every day telling me how much he and fucking wants to play games with me, and I don't want to because I have better friends. And
you're making me look bad, whore. Because you're fucking annoying, you whore. You're so annoying.
Yeah.
I can go fuck yourself. Fuck you. Yeah.
You have a small dick. Do you want me to tell them about that? That picture that you sent me.
Oh.
I wasn't gonna mention it, but you want to be fucking cool, kid?
You're toxic as fuck. You're toxic as fuck.
Oh.
All right. Yeah. Let's say I have a small dick. Let's talk about it.
Uncircumcised.
Oh.
Cheese dick. Fuck out of here.
Cheese dick.
Yeah.
Wait,
Let's talk about
you
it.
didn't turn on the light.
No, I don't want to turn on the light.
The camera.
Wait, come here, Chicken. I gotta talk to you.
I don't really want to talk about your
20 cents. That's
everywhere.
I sent her 20 cents because she begged for $20, so I thought I could scam her.
No, you wanted to be my fucking friend, and after everything, I'm like, buy me a game, or I'm never playing with you again. And he gave me 20 cents, and he's like, no, it's $20, and I'm like, no, 20 fucking cents, idiot.
And yeah, and then you came calling back because you're like, damn, that's my new sugar daddy. Chicken is nice to her because she is suicidal. You should have saw her for the past 2 weeks. She's
Yeah, I'm gonna kill myself. See you later. You have a crush on me, and you want me to be with you, but you're ugly as fuck, and I'll never do that.
That's mean.
That's kind of mean.
That's my dude, though.
Yeah, this is the homie. What's your name?
I ain't been drinking no Jaeger.
I quit drinking. I'm not drinking anymore.
Liar.
Ah, damn it. Fuck, I thought you were dead.
No, I got fucking nothing because you $15.
No.
Idiot.
You fucking retard, you died.
I didn't get to click anything.
No, you're fucking dead, you stupid fuck.
I hope you fucking die, idiot.
Let's play League.
I didn't get to choose anything. I'm never. Okay, let's play League. No, I'm not
really?
playing
Let's
League.
play. Oh. Damn
No.
it. No, come on. One game.
That's bad.
No,
that's fine.
like I have the screenshot. Show your fucking stream how fucking shit you are. Here it is, right fucking here.
3 and 22 and 11 assists. Okay, what's your point?
Okay, you went 3 and 22, kid.
I was having a bad day.
You AFK'd in the middle of the fucking lane.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to.
I'll be better.
You're actually a troll. You're gonna come bottom with me.
Okay, I'll come bottom with you. That's fine. You just gotta tell me what character I had to,
This is gonna be so fucking bad.
No, it's gonna be fine.
Are you coming to play or not? Because I'm starting.
Yes, I'm coming, you stupid cunt. Fucking wait a second.
Retard. How long does it take you to log in, you dog?
Because I haven't fucking opened League for a minute. Leave me the fuck alone.
Take your shirt off.
No.
Now.
No.
Take your shirt off now.
Yeah. What do you want to see?
Your non-muscles.
My what?
What?
What did you say?
Nothing.
You said your non-muscles.
My non-muscles.
But you really eating a fucking burrito off your chest?
Yeah.
Is he? Oh no, how do I close it?
Is this ranked?
I would never play ranked with this retard. Are you watching this? Look at him. How that thing is so
Tatiana,
big.
can you grab me Yasuo?
Fucking
Do you have Yasuo? And I'll grab you like Nami.
Do I have who?
Yasuo.
Yasuo?
Yeah.
No way I'm playing fucking League with Chicken Annie. This is so over. This is fucking bad.
You want my autograph?
Why did I fucking agree to this shit?
Bro, how fucked up are you right now, Chicken Andy? You eating a goddamn burrito off of your fucking stomach, shit.
I'm hungry.
Is this to be at that angle to even do that? Shit.
So
Yeah, he left. Good. All right, not playing with you anymore.
No, play with me. I'm trying to play with you.
No, you're a fucking idiot. You left.
I didn't leave.
You left, kid. You didn't choose because you're retard fucking eating your thing.
All right, I guess we have to wait 5 minutes.
I'm not No. I'm not playing with you. Get the fuck
No, come
out.
on. I'm streaming to 130 people. It's not my fault. I was a little like...
Oh my god.
I wasn't paying attention. You should have never asked me questions. Fuck you. We're playing in 6 minutes.
What a waste of my fucking life.
Are you really eating a Chipotle burrito with a fucking fork?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I was supposed to draw a whale.
Yeah, you have to draw.
But does that kind of look like an ass? Like if you look at it a weird way, like a
That's
red
what
ass.
I thought it was too. Yeah.
That looks like a red ass.
Yeah. You can't see that?
No.
I can see it.
Someone called Bob Ross China to go steal his job.
Bob Ross is dead.
Oh wait, I can buy a champ right now. I have 11,000 blue essence.
Buy me. Can you buy me a skin?
No.
What?
Are you fucking retarded? You stupid.
It's my birthday, idiot.
You said that like 5 months ago. You fuck.
I'll take a drink with me, bro. Fuck it.
He can't even look at him. Oh my god, we're gonna play fucking game with him. How do you even get drunk on Jaeger? What percent is it?
No, I've been doing those Jaeger bombs too.
What percent is that?
I'm not rich enough to pour Red Bull, dude. So go fuck yourself, nigger.
You go fuck yourself. Cunt.
I swear I'll fucking kill you. Report chicken. What can I report him for? Verbal abuse, refusing a position, shaking or...
Don't report chicken, please. Nigger. I don't want to get banned. Nigger.
He's gonna AFK in the fucking jungle, in the bush, and like pass out or something. Attack. What's he saying? Shut the fuck up. Open your eyes.
Hey Tatiana. Hey Tatiana.
What?
You fucking locked in.
You what?
You locked in. And I'm about to AFK this whole entire game.
Faggot ass fucking nigger. I fucking knew it.
I'm literally gonna feed so much.
You're such a fucking queer.
I need content. I need fucking. No.
I don't know why you think this is funny. I'm deleting out fucking everything. Then you're gonna beg me to fucking.
I'm going to throw this game for the next 45 minutes. You whore.
Okay.
I was AFK too. Fuck it.
You're a fucking nigger. I hope you die.
Let's all AFK. Fuck it. Retard. I'm here. I'm here to fuck you up, bitch. I hate you. I need content. So I debated you in Phasmophobia, nigger.
He's gonna fucking AFK. I knew we shouldn't have done this. Like,
I'm gonna fucking AFK. I knew I should have never done this. Shut up, bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm AFKing. I'm AFKing right now. This second. Fuck you. Bye.
Report chicken Andy.
I'm so pro. Oh my god, I'm so pro. Oh my god, I'm so.
Shut up.
Oh my god. Your fucking pussy is so fucking dry.
It's fucking fat.
Retard.
And full of blubber.
Dumb nigger.
That's not real alcohol. That's for little fucking kids like you. Drink with me one day.
It is 70 proof, bitch.
You're a fucking pussy.
Okay, well, you're toxic, whore. We need IRL. You want me to show you what outside looks like? Bitch, it's fucking dark. I got paint all over my windows. But anyways, it is dark outside. Like, I can't go outside. Okay? It's dark.
I thought I'd never play with fucking Chicken Itty. You're so fucking bad. Fuck, you're bad.
I know, I'm doing alpha.
Go
fucking work. You're so fucking shit, kid. He has 8 kills because you're so fucking dog.
Nami, help me. Nami, help me.
There's no way for me to help you.
Not me, help me, you stupid fuck! You could have ulted, you retard whore! I hope you
my fucking all, idiot. Get me the fuck out of this fucking game.
I will feel.
Bro, my ass should have legit.
I don't care, this game's over!
I mean, my mouth.
Like, they're so fed. They both have fucking 9 kills. Good thing we have a 2 and 7 fucking Yasuo 80 carry, you fucking bot. Turn off the fucking game. Get me out of here.
Oh yeah, look at my studio, bro. It's a fucking studio.
Shut up with your dog shit phone mic, retard. You're a Discord. You're a fucking Discord user. You simp so hard. Ever since I known you and I invited you to this Discord with Thought.
Bro, I already knew who Tatiana
You've
was.
been simping on her bitch ass 20 times. I think you have no fucking life, and I think your parents are depressed because of you. Oh my god, it's been 3 minutes. Shot time. Ew.
They're coming, run!
Ref.
You're dead. You're dead.
I'm doing pretty good for like drinking by myself halfway down a 5th. Alright, bitch. I'm out.
Good.
I'll never see you again, whore.
Good.
Go fuck yourself.
Kill yourself, fuckhead.
Fuck yourself, fuck whore.
I will.
You will? Oh. Chat. By the way, this is one of my
Chicken Eddie's in love with me.
This is one of my friends on Discord. I've known probably 3 to 4 years. You invited me to a rap battle in your Discord, you whore.
Yeah, so we can all make fun of you.
A rap?
You're not good.
No, you invited me to a rap battle because I was good.
You aren't good, and you never. That's a lie.
No, I had sick raps.
Okay, let's hear some of them.
Throw on a beat.
You throw on a beat. Okay,
Using my hand function.
Where's his?
Yeah.
Fuck, can you put on a beat for retard to rap?
Yeah, I can do that.
I love.
What style you want? What kind
I did this earlier. Pound cake. Here, I'm just gonna play pound cake.
I love this painting, by the way.
Go ahead.
Type so loud.
You enjoy listening to this album half as much
There's all booze
as we enjoy playing it for you, because we had a ball.
Yeah, we had a ball.
Only real music's gonna last. All that other bullshit is here today and gone tomorrow.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Tatiana, your pussy so smelly. I wanna fucking tell you something, but you be a fucking pussy.
Mike?
What do you mean?
I hate you.
Tatiana, you're a fucking smelly bean machine. You're a racist, and I hope you kill yourself one day. You're a fucking faggot ass whore, and I think you're better one day to kill yourself. You're better on the other life. Store you up on a shelf in a bunch of fucking ashes. Kill yourself.
So just talking women and vino. The contract like 91 Dan Marino. I swear this guy Michael Cano's boosting my ego. Overly focused is far from
My nigga, this ain't a fucking beat, you stupid fuck. You're a fucking retard.
I don't know. Play a beat then. I didn't
Are you
realize it was
stupid? You think I can play a beat right now?
Skipped.
Can you like play a new one, you retard?
I don't know. Play something.
Are you retarded? I said you retard.
You and the fucking nigger, you fucking chink, fucking Tony mom, motherfuck bitch.
Play a new beat, Tony Monch, you guys, bitch.
One's on to turn it up.
Hey, we got a donation. $1.
People
Thank you.
Okay.
I don't even hear the beat. Hello.
Turn it up. It's on Larry.
What was the $1 for?
What?
Reggie B, thank you for the $1. Let me fucking throw this sick ass rhyme. My bitch, her name is Tatiana, and she has no rhyme. She's a whore. She thinks she got a score when she blow 5 guys in a doorway making 500. Yeah, that bitch is named Tatiana. She likes to spend it on motherfuckers. Wait. Nah, my rhyme. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so drunk and shit. Holy fuck.
Why is Mike all fucked like that?
What do you mean? Hello? Is my mic normal? Anyways, shit. Yo, Tatiana, you're a fucking faggot ass bitch whale. I wanna fucking stick you with the fucking prick whale. I hope you kill yourself. I hope you fucking die whale. Roll up on my beach and see what fucking sticks in your whale. Yeah, I hope you bloat and kill yourself. You won't float. You're a fat fucking dope and I hope you kill yourself. Whoa, that was kinda deep and I think you're fucking gay. Gay for pay in every way you slay. Niggas think you fucking slay are only gay for ways that doesn't make sense cause you're black and you're also fat. Yeah, and you're fat and whack. Yeah, your gills are so fucking big I think I wanna stick my...
What? You wanna stick your dick where?
Yeah. Kill yourself, eh? Oh, fuck, the beat died. Holy shit.
Somebody donated to you again. Get up.
Oh my god.
I'm bored.
Oh my fuck. Oh.
Alright.
Can we play a game? I'm tired.
Yeah, what game? Dead by Daylight.
Among Us! Let's play Among Us! 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 Oh my god! My painting is so beautiful. My painting is so beautiful. I want to hang this on my wall.
No, fucking hang it on your neck and jump.
Yo.
Hang myself and jump. Dude, no, this painting is so beautiful, dude.
Can you paint another one?
I can't believe I fucking painted this. This is like connection with my soul.
Paint me a picture.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful and shit. It's really good.
I'm bored.
Can we play Among Us, you whore?
No. How's Haze? Play something.
Can we play Among Us, you dumb retard?
I don't even know how to play this game.
Holy shit, that's a fat ass.
Well, let me put THOT out here. No way they're
better you than me, bitch.
Probably left the game. Don't vote me!
I'm definitely voting for you,
You motherfuckers! I'm actually leaving.
You're the fucking retarded cunt. Trying to get me
Fuck you guys.
kicked, you dumb.
Fuck you guys.
Yeah, I realize I didn't do anything, you bitch.
A great game. Okay, I gotta...
Fuck. I fucking hate this game.
Where the fuck did he go? I'm stuck with just you. Red.
my god, I don't feel good. Holy shit. You fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Fucking faggots, dude. You guys are fucking faggots. CBF. CBF. I'm fucking cheating on this game right now. Fuck this. Fuck this. I'm installing hacks. I'm gonna fuck y'all up. CBF playing this game legit. I think my folder is called Hackman. Oh my god, it's not here. Recent. Maybe in recent.
No way you're downloading hacks because you're bad at the game.
Can you not talk to me right now? Hackman, dude. That's the fucking file that I called it. Oh my god, better not be in my recycler, dude. Recycler.
Receptor.
What? Recycler, you recycler bin. 9 more minutes, still another shot. Hey! Jaeger! Jaeger! Hey! Drop my Jaeger on the ground. I dropped my Jaeger. Jaeger, are you alright, dude? You like Laura hit. So like Laura tried dogging me like some what the fuck dog, you know what I mean? Cause I didn't, you know, something with her. Should I look for a revenge method? That is Layla and her end. Anyways, bitches, Laura like. Only 30 people in here.
I swear to God, they'll probably never understand me. Sick of just walking around pretending I'm happy. Feel like collapsing from all the weight that I carry. But I just keep it pushing and pop me another Xanny. Know it's sad, but I remember as a kid it was rough. Always thought we had it all, what I was missing was love. Now I was drowning in some waters that were thicker than blood. Still they wonder how the fuck I got addicted to drugs. Damn, but they don't get that I'm avoiding feeling pain. Only time I feel alive is when there's poison in my veins. Mama telling me to look at what I'm doing to myself, but I just wanna be fucking happy like everybody else. They looking down on me like I'm the fucking villain. I don't wanna talk about it, I know they don't wanna listen. I was only trying to make up for the feeling I was missing. If I'm only feeling pain, tell me what's the point of living? Every day I'm waking up and trying to deal with the stress. And I've been acting like I'm happy when my life is a mess. And all I know is that I got this fucking pain in my chest. And I would love to get clean, but I'm too fucking depressed. Damn, mom was panicking and losing her faith. Came to tell me about a rehab in a beautiful place. She said, just checking up if you was awake. She broke down when she seen her son blue in the face and thought, no one ever told me it would be